Good morning, students. Last time we finished with our first sample paper, which is on page number 40 and 41. So today we start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, working with paint. In the previous classes, class 1 and 2, you already learned about what is meant by paint and done the practical also with the help of computer in a computer lab. So in the working with paint, you learn 2 3 more tools related to this application. So what are the tools that we see with the help of this video? So just watch this video. After that, if you have any query, any doubt, write in comment box. After completion of this chapter, you have to solve question answers also. Okay, let's start the chapter.
Microsoft Paint, frequently called Paint or MS Paint, is a simple graphics program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. Let us first understand the features of Paint. We can use Paint for creating, editing and printing pictures. With this program, we can draw different objects like pictures, cartoons, maps, etc. We can also use Paint to view and edit scanned pictures. Students, let me tell you how to open Paint. Click on Start. Choose All Programs. Click on Accessories. Click on Paint Program. Let me share an interesting fact with you. Dragging the Paint icon to the desktop will create a shortcut to open Paint. Now we shall learn how to use tools. We can work in Paint with the help of tools present in the Shapes and Tools group. To select any shape, move the mouse pointer to the tool in the Shapes group and click on it. Once the tool is selected, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The pointer changes into cross symbol. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the direction where you want to draw the shape. Let us now learn how to use the Oval Shape tool. Select the Oval option from the Shapes group. Set the color 1 foreground yellow and color 2 background red. Click on Outline to change the line style. Click on Size to choose the line size, thickness. Move the pointer to the drawing area and drag the pointer to draw the given oval figure. To fill color in the figure, select Color tool. Then, click on Fill with Color tool and right-click on the circle. Students, this is a painting made by an artist in MS Paint. Okay, now let us find out how to use the Color Picker tool. Color Picker tool is a very useful tool to select a color from an existing object and filling it into any other object. Let us learn how to use it. Draw the objects as shown in the given figure. Color the rectangle using Fill with Color tool. Select the Color Picker tool. Click inside the rectangle to copy the color. Move the mouse pointer and click inside the circle to fill the same color in it. Once the drawing is made, you can make some changes in it, such as copying, deleting, moving, etc. These options are available on the Home tab. Students, you can use Edit Colors to pick a new color. Mixing colors in MS Paint lets you choose the exact color that you want to use. Let me tell you that the eraser tool is used to erase a part of a drawing. It replaces the erased part with the background color. Now we shall find out how to use the Select tool. The Select tool is used to select any part of the picture that we want to change. Draw the Mickey Mouse as shown in the figure. Click on the rectangular selection tool. To select the object, place the mouse pointer just outside the area to be selected. Click and hold down the left mouse button and drag around the outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button when it is completely selected. Students, quickly tell me, which group do you choose to select any shape in Paint? Now we shall learn how to use the Freeform Selection tool. The Freeform Selection tool is used to select any irregularly shaped part of the picture. We can even drag the selected portion and place it on another location. Select the Freeform Selection tool. Place the pointer on the drawing area. Select the object, for example, nose of the Mickey Mouse, by holding down the left mouse button and moving the pointer around the outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button after selecting the object, nose. Drag the nose towards left as shown in the figure. Now click on Undo button and observe the change. Students, let us now discuss the Select tool and the Freeform Selection tool. Okay, now let's learn how to move an object. Draw the picture of a car in a new file and save it with the name car. Now select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of Select tool. A rectangle with dashed lines will appear around the picture as shown in the figure. Click on Cut option in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. Observe that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Let me now tell you how to use the Paste option. Click on Paste option. Now the object that you have cut will reappear on the top left corner of the drawing area. Place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. Students, let me tell you that the selection box can be removed by clicking outside the selected area. Now we shall talk about how to copy an object. Copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. Select the drawing using Select tool. Select the Copy command on the Home tab. Click on the Paste command in the Clipboard group of the Home tab. A duplicate copy of the object appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. You can move the picture to any location. Now to reverse the last actions that you have performed, Undo command or Ctrl+Z is used. Redo command is used to reverse the effect of Undo command, or we can also use Ctrl+Y. Okay, if you want to clear all the objects from the drawing area, click on Select, select all, then Delete option. Let us now learn how to draw different shapes. We can draw different shapes in Paint. The ready-made shapes are available in the Shapes group at Ribbon. Select any shape. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse. We can change the appearance of the ready-made shapes as per our need. Click on Outline option and change the outline style. If outline is not required, select No Outline in the Outline option. Click on Size option to change the line size, thickness of the outline. Click on Color 1 to change the outline color and Color 2 to fill the shape. If you do not want to fill color in a shape, select Fill option and then select Sub option from it. Students, now we shall understand how to flip the picture. Flip means to rotate or turn the selected picture horizontally or vertically. Click on the Select tool and select the picture. Click on the Rotate option in the Image group on the Home tab. A list of options will be displayed for changing the rotation or flipping. Select the desired option and the same effect will be applied on that picture. Now let me tell you something more. To flip the picture vertically, select Flip Vertical option available in the Rotate tool. To rotate the drawing, click on Rotate and select the angle right 90 degree, left 90 degree and 180 degree. Students, let me tell you a shortcut. Press Ctrl plus R to add ruler to line up and measure the picture. We shall now learn how to resize or skew the picture. The size of the picture can be increased or decreased vertically or horizontally. Select the drawing by covering its boundary using the Select tool. Select the Resize option in the Image group on the Home tab. Specify the resize in percentage or pixels and skew in degrees for both horizontal and vertical in the respective boxes according to your requirement. Click on OK. Let me tell you something more. On selecting Opaque option, the text color will be the same which is selected in Color 1 box, and the background color behind the text will be the same which is selected in Color 2 box. On selecting Transparent option, only text color will be the same as selected in Color 1 box, and the background will be transparent. Alright, now let's learn how to use the Text tool. Select the Text tool. Move the pointer to the drawing area and click on it. A rectangle appears with a cursor inside it. Type the text in it as shown in the figure. A Text Tools tab appears with options to change the font face, font style and size. In the Colors group, click on Color 1 and then choose the desired color for the text. Click on B button to make the text bold. Similarly, select I button to give italic effect, U button to underline the text and strike through to strike a line through the text. Students, let me share a few tips with you. To work faster in MS Paint 2007, the most often used command can be placed on the Quick Access toolbar, which is located above the ribbon. To add command on the Quick Access toolbar, right-click on the command and select Add to Quick Access toolbar option. Okay, students, let us now learn how to zoom the picture. Zoom means to increase or decrease the view size of the object on the screen in any ratio. Draw a smiling face. Click on Zoom In option present on the View tab to increase the view size. Click on Zoom Out to decrease the view size on View tab at ribbon. Click on Zoom to 100% tool. The picture will come back to normal size. Students, you can also increase or decrease the view size of the picture through the magnifier tool on the Home tab. Click on minus button to decrease the zoom level and plus button to increase the zoom level on the zoom slider bar on the status bar. Let us now find out how to create a new drawing. To create a new drawing, click on Paint button and select a new option. A new Paint window will open. Now, we shall learn how to save a drawing. It is very important to save your drawing after finishing the work. Once it is saved, we can reuse it anytime. Click on the Paint button. Select Save option from the drop-down menu. The Save As window appears. Type the name of the file in the File Name box. Click on Save button. The file will be saved. Now click on Close button to close the Paint application. Students, the shortcut keys to create a new file, open an old file and save a file are Ctrl+N, Ctrl+O and Ctrl+S respectively. To close the Paint program, you can also press Alt+F4 key combination. Let me now tell you how to open an old drawing. If you want to work on any old drawing that you have saved, the first step will be to open that file. Click on Paint button and select Open option. Select the file name that you want to open or type the file name in the file name box. Click on Open button. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Paint is a graphics program to draw pictures and paint them with different colors. We can use Paint to view and edit the scanned pictures. Color Picker tool is used to copy color from one object to another. Select tool and Freeform Selection tool is used to select any object or part of an object. A picture can be rotated horizontally, vertically and by some degrees of angle. Zoom means to increase or decrease the view size of the object. We can select different shapes using the Shapes group.
Okay, student. Hope you understand this chapter with the help of this video. With the help of this video, you learn what are the tools of Microsoft Paint. Then with the help of different tools like oval shape tool, color picker tool, select tool, freeform selection, this type of tools you can use to draw and color your picture or a drawing. Then how to move object, how to copy paste the object, how to draw different shapes, and how to add a color in your drawing. This also learn with the help of this video. So now you have to solve the question answers and complete it in the textbook as well as notebook. Okay, if you have any query, any doubt, just call me. If you not understand this chapter, repeat this video. Okay, thank you.